So we're going to be fitting this, the premium tempered glass screen protector from those good folk at Speedo Angel. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around and we'll show you how it's done, hopefully. So without further ado, let's dive in and rip this thing open. So inside, what do we get? We get a set of destructions, some wet wipes, microfiber cloth, a squeegee blade, flat blade for getting any air bubbles out, and then we get a little absorber pad which you peel off and then tap on the screen, and then two little tabs here, not sure what they're for, so we'll see what we can use those for. And then finally we get the nice quality Speedo Angels tempered glass. So let's crack on and see how we fit it to the bike. I'm just going to use some of this actually, whether it's a good idea to or not, I don't know, but I'm going to use it. That's Auto Glim Rapid Detailer. Give it a quick skirt on the screen, and then with a brand new microfiber cloth, I'm just going to lift off any dirt that may be on there and any fingerprints as well, and then I'll use the wet wipe that's supplied in the kit. Just trying to get it as clean as possible. A little blow doesn't hurt, does it? So that bit's done. I've just found it easier just coming in from the left hand side with the handlebars turned to the left as well. So opening up the wipes pack. And right, there we go, get slowly. Come on, do me, that's one as well. Finally. Right, so give the screen a good old clean. This is the most important bit. Dirty screen, dirty marks under the tempered glass. So I guess take your time until you're really happy with it. Around the edge as well, pressing down on the edge. Any greasy fingerprint marks, hopefully going to be gone. That looks pretty good. Pop that there. I'm going to give it another wipe with my brand new microfiber cloth, and then with their microfiber cloth, just give it another wipe, and that's looking very good. Yes. And then finally, I suppose we can use this thing, the dust thing. So open here, pop that down, and I guess we're just going to take our time and just systematically outside in. So that's all done. I'm going to have a look down the side here at the screen. That looks pretty good. No marks on there that I can see. A quick blow. So this is the most important bit. Which way round does it go? So obviously you've got a little pull here, and that's the sticky side. So as you pull it, the sticky side is going to stick to the glass. So just make sure you get it the right way round. So it's going to go on that way. So I think, folks, I'm going to just do it in a wanna, as they say. So I'm going to peel it off. Some people use a kind of hinge method and don't touch the sticky side, otherwise you're going to have a fingerprint there forever and a day. So carefully position it, and then when you're entirely happy, this is where you need to just take your time. If you've got a bit of OCDism, make sure everything's parallel and the gaps are the same, and when you're happy with that, down you go. Yeah, I am. So this is the most important part. Just place it so you're happy with it. because you're going to be looking at it for the next several years. And when you're entirely happy with it, you can let go and it will suck itself down. And try not to get any fingerprints on the underside of it. Right, I think we're there. And then as you let it go, the suction just sticks it on. God, dear me. And then use your microfiber cloth supplied or your own new one, and just give it a nice push just to get out any air bubbles. But there's no air bubbles in that at all. That's damned brilliant, that is. So I'm just going to give it a gentle push just so I've got good adhesion. Yeah, I'm more than happy with that. And that is not too bad a job. I suppose there's no harm in actually going over the screen with one of these, is there? So, but obviously with this nav 6 bracket in there, it just makes it a little bit more awkward. Yeah, but I've got no air bubbles in there, guys, so it's not really doing much other than just pushing the edges down. But no, super happy with that. And I'm just looking at it from different angles just to see if there's any marks underneath, and no, absolutely spot on, absolutely spot on. Well, that's it, folks. That's the end of the video. That's quite a simple installation for the Speedo Angel TFT tempered glass screen protector. If you've got any comments to make them in the comment section down below if I've said anything wrong, so other people know. In the meantime, ride safe as ever, and see you again soon in the next video in the bits and pieces installation on the BMW. Take care. Bye.